Hi friends, welcome to Garden a Beautiful Life. So I'm back with one more video and this is going to be a garden update video. I thought I will show you what greens I'm growing in my garden right now and what I have sown these seeds like 10 days back, and I will be just sharing you the results in 10 days. I will also show you how am I taking care of these greens. So I am growing this spinach. So in 10 days only you could see so many seeds and the seedlings which have come out in spinach. The second thing which I am growing is methi, fenugreek. So in 10 days you could see a good result. And I am also growing Bengal grams, which is chickpea, in my garden. Let's see the spinach first. So this is the day 10 of spinach and I am growing this spinach in a waste curd tub, as you could see. And as spinach doesn't have very deep roots, you can use any other planter also, which is 5 inch or 6 inches. I am using these seeds for spinach and these seeds have very high germination rate. Otherwise you can use any other seeds too which you have purchased, but if you want I can put a link in the description box, as this is the day 10 and my spinach is growing very healthy, and earlier also I have used the same seeds to grow my spinach. Apart from this, the soil of spinach has to be on the moist side always. So daily I keep spraying water with the help of this spray bottle. You have to make sure that you have to show sun to spinach for at least 3 to 4 hours a day. So I keep this in the sunlight area, and apart from that you also have to make sure that you do not overwater it, as overwatering will rot the spinach. And I will definitely be making a step-by-step video of how to grow spinach, but this is the day 10 update. Now let's talk about the fenugreek or methi. So this is also the day 10 update of methi. I have sown these seeds like 10 days back and you could see a very healthy growth of methi or fenugreek also. So the most important thing for growing these greens are the soil used, yes, and the seeds which you are using. So the basic thing is the seeds and the soil. I have used the regular kitchen seeds. I am just showing you this packet which I got from nursery. So you can use anything, the regular kitchen seeds or the packet seeds which you get from nursery. So the soil should always be moist, and I use that sprayer bottle to keep the soil wet in the evening and also in the morning. Apart from that, the soil composition which I have used for the three of the greens is 50% of garden soil and 40% of compost and 10% of coco peat. So coco peat is not mandatory. If you want, you can use 50% of garden soil and 50% of compost. So mixing compost is very necessary for the germination of the seeds. If you use only soil, and particularly if you are living in a place which has red soil, the seed germination will not happen. Now let's see the third thing, which is chickpea and the green grams which I am growing in my garden. So the best way to grow these are to soak the green grams for 24 to 48 hours in water and then soak them in the soil, so the germination rate would be faster. I am using the spray bottle to keep my soil wet. So evening and morning I spray in the water in the soil, as they need wet and moist soil. The germination rate of these and the growth rate is little slower than spinach and fenugreek, because 3 of them I have sown on 10 days before, and 3 of them have the same soil, are being given the same nutrition and are being kept in the same place where they get equal amount of sunlight. So this chickpea also needs 3 to 4 hours of sunlight, and the soil should be towards the moist side. So this was my garden update video of the greens and the leafy vegetables which I am trying to grow in my garden. Earlier also I have grown spinach and fenugreek and this. So I will definitely be uploading a YouTube video of step by step how to grow this